being escorted by his mother, Gina Halflich, and girlfriend, Carmen Peace. Pat has participated in 4 years of football, 1 year of basketball, and 2 of baseball, and also played a year of tennis. He's maintained a 3.2 grade point average. His future plans include going to Montana State University Bozeman and participating in Air Force ROTC with a goal of becoming a pilot. Pat would like to thank his parents, especially his mom and AJ, for always being there for him. He would also like to thank his girlfriend Carmen Peace and her mom Kelly Peace for all the support and love they've given. But most of all, he'd like to thank his friends for all the fun times they've had together and all the memories that they've helped create. Ladies and gentlemen, Pat Hickman.